Do more, carry less. These words have defined Deity microphones, and now they mean more than ever. Introducing the BP-TRX, a timecode-based recorder that can transmit or receive wireless audio. The BP-TRX is here to revolutionize what you can do with sound on set. The BP-TRX is the ultimate audio multi-tool, essential for sound mixers, camera operators, and everyone in between. As a pocket recorder that also simultaneously transmits audio, you never need to worry about signal drops. And the built-in guardrail analog limiter prevents clipping. The record feature can even be triggered wirelessly by the Deity Connect, giving you the most stress-free audio experience possible. The BP-TRX is equipped to transmit signals as strong as 100 milliwatts. And our new SMA antenna is 20% more efficient and stable than ever. The BP-TRX also features advanced frequency hopping protocol, which means that in congested environments, it scans and changes frequency every 1.5 milliseconds to find the best possible signal. We know that recording sound demands perfect synchronization, and the BP-TRX delivers. Timecode means that your audio will always sync in a flash, with only one frame drift every 24 hours. The BP-TRX can also accept external timecode via the mic input jack, or it can generate its own timecode internally and output a signal for other devices to sync with. An easy-to-navigate menu allows you to operate in different modes that prioritize access to the features you need most. And when you need that extra functionality, the BP-TRX can even become a receiver itself. A single BP-TRX can transmit to up to 4 BP-TRX units operating in either IEM or camera hop mode. But the best tool is only as good as its battery. A 2800 milliamp hour lithium-ion cell is the heart of the BP-TRX. When functioning exclusively as a timecode recorder, users will get over 21 hours of battery life, making it the longest-lasting battery of any timecode recorder. It fully charges in a mere 130 minutes. And when used as just a timecode box, that battery life extends to over 25 hours. Finally, the BP-TRX seamlessly integrates with all of our wireless products and offers the same low-cut filters, analog limiters, locking inputs, and high-frequency boost features that Deity has become known for. The BP-TRX is built to bridge gaps, to let your camera and sound teams work together in the most productive way. At Deity, we've done our best to keep pushing the boundaries of the 2.4 gigahertz ecosystem, and we're thrilled to take it to the next level.